let's finish off soft skills first, and then we will move on to questions and answers, right? So, how do I need to dress up? Do I need to bother much about it? I need to be in formals, right? That's it. You understand formals? I don't need to be casual. Casual approach should not be there. I need to be formals. I need to be able to carry myself up properly in whatever dress I'm wearing. If I'm comfortable, if I'm able to carry myself up, it is good enough, right? So you need to be comfortable, that's it. Make sure that you are comfortable enough, right? What needs to be done while waiting for the interview? This is something very important. It is related to anticipation skills, right? When you are sitting outside the interview hall, what needs to be done? I need to keep reminding myself whatever FAQs I have already prepared, frequently asked questions I have already prepared for myself. I need to keep reminding myself on those things, right? For example, I want to pull my entire interview towards my PORs, or I want to drag the entire interview towards my internship, right? Or the projects I have done, I'm good at that. I have prepared it very properly. So the subsequent question immediately after the introduction, I want to get indulged into that. So what I should be doing ideally over there while sitting outside the interview hall, I should be preparing myself that I need to pull it towards my areas of strength, the interview, right? I need to be preparing the data about the company, right? I need to study those things. See, whatever preparations you have already done, please understand, what is most important is, it is your interview. Nobody else will decide what will be question, on what areas you will be questioned. You have to mention in front of the interviewers, right? It doesn't depend upon the way interviewers are asking, right? Unlike Viva, what happens is, like in Viva, you are familiar with the type of questions. Here also you are familiar with the type of questions. But the difference is, those are close-ended ones. Here, majority of the questions are open-ended ones. Here you have to justify as well. You have to back it up with proper logics. Right. One is this. Two, in Viva, it depends upon the professor also. Here, it doesn't depend upon the HR or the technical expert. It depends upon you, right? If you are able to drag the entire interview towards your area of strength, they'll be talking on those things, right? Because they are interested only in your strengths, because they can utilize your strength over there in their company, right? So why will they talk on something on which you are not comfortable at? Okay. Is it clear? Yes or no? Come up. What will you do in GD? You have to start responding. Yes or no? Have you understood? Fair enough. So, when you are sitting outside, don't bother about what has been asked to the friend who went inside prior to you. Right? His strengths were different. His set of skills were different. Right? His forte was different. Why should you be bothered? You should focus on your own interview. I introduced this word, anticipation skills need to go great guns. Because, see, suppose my interview got over, right? The interviewer asked me to leave. Now I got up, I stood up and started looking here and there from where to exit. What is this? Something related to soft skills. See, there is always a difference between pleasant and more pleasant, right? There will be a guy who will be more sure. Suppose there is a person who is absolutely sure of the exit gate. He stood up, right? He was sure of the exit gate, moved out. He was more prepared, right? So, how will you be able to control these things? When you were sitting outside, right? Why you are not being able to figure out that those who are entering from X gate are coming out from Y gate? You should have figured it out, right? So these things you need to understand, right? See, if you are a human being, naturally you observe these things, yes or no? And yes, one small thing. See, don't bother about communication, don't bother about your speaking skills, oral communication skills. You are good at that, right? Communication means, see, whatever you are communicating, while communication, if your breathing is normal, if you are feeling comfortable, right? If your breathing is normal, if you are audible enough, if you are clear enough, if you are able to transfer whatever is running on the back of your mind, if you are able to transfer it as it is to others, you are a good communicator. True or false? See, if something is running on the back of my mind, if I am able to transfer it as it is to others, I am good at communication, right? See, did you notice the difference? I repeated the same sentence, right? In the second shot, I was slightly fast, right? Faster than whatever I said prior to this. What did you understand better? The prior one or the later one? See, okay, fine, because you are focusing, right? That is why it is fine. Otherwise, those who speak very fast, I can speak fast, right? But generally, those who speak very fast, they lack confidence. So you should be comfortable with the pace. Please come out of your cocoons, come out of your hibernation, right? Don't believe in these words that those who speak very good English only, they will get selected. Sorry, they are not hiring people from call centers, right? Had that been needed, they would have hired people from call centers or straight from convent schools or professors of English. It is not. You have to convey your thoughts, one. That too, you have to be stupendous enough while speaking. You have to be judicious enough. You have to justify whatever you are saying. You have to advocate yourself, right? You have to reason it out. Reasoning is very, very crucial, right? Now, please do not talk to the interviewees. This is very important. They came out of the interview hall. They started sharing their feedbacks. What will you do with the feedback? It was his interview or her interview, not yours. At least when I have to go when I have to go with the immediate effect, right? Somebody came out, I have to go with the immediate effect. Why should I talk to somebody else? Again, I spoke fast just now, right? Please understand, if you are fast, if you are going ahead with the pace which I used, right, just now, that is absolutely not acceptable. You have to be clear, you have to be audible, you have to be slow. People need to understand you.